So I found this RC car for super cheap and I thought to myself, okay, I'm going to modify it to see what potential it has. The car itself takes 4 AA batteries, the remote takes 2, and once installed, the car becomes alive. It really moves around. The range is amazing considering it's a toy car and it's so cheap. The range is fantastic. Now, after doing a couple of laps, I'm trying to record the maximum speed of this toy car, and it managed to achieve a great speed of 7.9 kilometers an hour, which is not bad for such a small car. Now, I'm not satisfied. I'm going to do another speed run, and it managed to achieve a maximum speed of 8.2 kilometers an hour, which is a big increase. It's not double, but it's still fast, right? 8.2 kilometers an hour. Now, I'm not satisfied. It's time for an upgrade to see what potential it has. Now, this RC car does not drive on the grass, but it still needs an upgrade. Now, the car itself has these pins on the side, which is fancy. It had a cover as well, so fancy. I felt bad destroying that car. Now it's time to install some real power, something that's going to make it move, and that is a jet. This is an electric fan, and this baby is going to push some crazy air. Now I'm going to take the measurements so I can build a mount for this fan jet of mine, and then I'm going to take the body measurements as well. I'm going to design it, and then I'm going to 3D print the new parts. I decided to also 3D print wheels, which I'm going to later regret. But hopefully in part 2, there's going to be some crazy upgrades. So as you can see, the 3D printing parts look amazing. Right, they came out nice. Now it's time to assemble the wheels, sand some parts down. It has 3D printed axles and wheels, no bearings, which is going to be a downside, but it's trial runs. Eventually, you're going to add more upgrades to make it more efficient. As you can see, everything has been assembled. These 3D printed wheels are making it hard to control. They're basically acting like drift tires. So yeah, it's quite a problem. But it has potential. I can feel it. A maximum speed of 10.1 kilometers an hour. It's definitely a speed increase. Let me tell you something. I tried many versions. I tried using a brushless motor to spin the original motor by using a coupler. So basically, the coupler will transfer the energy to the original motor, and then I removed the magnets from the original motor. So basically, all the original motor was doing was just holding the shaft in place. Now, this version failed. It never worked. It's just that the space was just too tight to fit such a motor. Then I tried using two brushless motors acting as hub motors. So basically, the power would be transferred directly to the wheels, and this version failed as well. It's just that the space is just too tight. The motors were getting hot. There were too many complications. Now, what's the next best thing? Jet engine. So I decided to use just a very powerful fan as my power source instead of complicating things by using couplers, adding brushless motors, and so and so. It was just the space was too tight. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video.